Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Just banging out a few boxes today. You noticed I'm wearing the same shirt that you've probably seen in the last couple of videos, but it is what it is. This is the way I do things. I'm actually just gonna lounge around for the rest of the day in this shirt. I might get in the gym today, we'll see. Today we have Allure. So this box has been pretty good lately. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. My t-shirt says I'm dead inside, the same as the last couple of videos that you've seen, I'm sure. If you've seen, anyway, I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. But Allure has been pretty good. I finally ended up signing up. The first box I got was the one that was, it was a collab with Huda, if I remember correctly. And I don't know, I just think Allure has been doing a really good job. I want to say this box is $15 a month. I'm pretty sure it is. But okay, so you get a pamphlet, and this tells you the prices of the full size. This box has a mixture of full size and deluxe sizes, but it does tell you what's in here, and it gives you the prices. Shh. Whew. I guess Victor and Rolf is trying to really get rid of Flower Bomb. So I'm just looking at the magazine. Anyway, okay. So we just got this. We just got this in, I don't know, in a box. What was it? Oh, glossy box. We just got this in glossy box. So I will be passing this along. I love the scent. It is not flowery. It's not flowery. It's more sweet. So I do think that this is a really nice scent. And the large retails for $115, or the regular size. I don't know. It may possibly come in 2 different sizes or 3 different sizes, but the 1.7 ounce retails for $115. So the next thing I am pulling out is what looks like a lip liner from Thrive Cosmetics. And it is Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Long Wearing Plumping Lip Liner. And it retails for $20. I really like, the color is pomegranate. I'm not going to take it out. Valicia. The color is, well, maybe I will take it out. Let's see. The color is Valicia. I cannot. Valicia? I think I pronounced that right. It's really pretty packaging though. I really like the Thrive, that's a pretty color. I really do like the Thrive mascara. It doesn't smell like anything, but I will pass that along because I've talked about my lip liners before. It's not something that I collect. I have a couple of them. I have one in red, I have one in pink, and then I have one in nude, and I find that that's really all I need because the nude can pretty much be worn and used for anything that is dark enough to cover it. So there's that. So the next thing I am pulling out here is Eva NYC Main Magic, and it's a 10-in-1 primer. Main Magic, multi-benefit. And of course this is a small. This is, I guess, what the big looks like, and I'm assuming it's for your hair. Yep, it is. It's I guess a primer for your hair. So I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. I don't do a lot of damage to my hair other than bleaching it and dyeing it. But like, I don't use blow dryers a lot. I don't use curlers or straighteners or anything like that. So I will probably pass this along. But the full size retails for $12, and that's not bad at all. The next thing I am pulling out is Allure by Jean So. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is the full size. Allure by Jean So Balancing, Hydrating, and Calming Serum. And it retails for $15. I will probably just pass this along. I'm sure you guys know my skincare collection is off the hook, and I really need to start getting through some of that stuff. It's insane the amount of skincare products that I have compared to what I actually use. Insane. So the next thing I am pulling out is by Allure Beauty, and this is Allure Skin Balancing Toning Mist. I think I have actually, well, I know that I get Allure Beauty products in Kinder Beauty, which tells me that this is like organic, cruelty-free, all of that. I'm not sure if I actually had the mist, the toner, whatever it's called, toning mist, but I will go ahead and just pass this along. Again, way too much skincare at the moment, and I just need to kind of get through it. The next thing I am pulling out is Cisapair. I cannot. Derma Green Solution, Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Jart. And the large retails for $52, or the full size retails for $52. I want to say that I've had this before. I don't know where I got it or how I got it. I'll probably keep that just to try it. And then the last thing I'm pulling out, it looks like you could have gotten one of two, and it's $36 for a 6-pack. And it is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. $36 for a 6-pack? That seems a little expensive for sheet masks, but the other one that you could have gotten was matcha green tea. So there's that. And of course, I'm always down for a face mask. I would never spend that much on a face mask or a pack of, I think the most that I've spent on a pack of face masks is like 15 bucks. And they've had anywhere between 4 and 10 in them, just depending on the price and how many, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, what do I think of this box? Well, I'm not keeping a lot out of this box. I mean, I still think it's a good box. I think they've done better. I won't use this. I will pass it along. I will use the face mask. We just got these in glossy box, so I mean, that's a little overload of a flower bomb if you ask me. But I understand a lot of people don't get as many boxes as I get, so I'm sure the normal average Joe out there that gets a box or two isn't going to get overlapped like that. The Allure, I won't use that. And this Lou by Jean So, I won't use that either. I will just pass it along. But I will try this. And that's real. So I don't think it's a bad box. I'm not going to keep a lot of stuff out of it. But the good news about that is that someone out there will get it. So that is that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you spending time with me today, even if it was just for a couple of minutes. This shirt is driving me insane, though, the way it keeps wrinkling up like that. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.